Welcome to my honest review of TeamPassword. Today, I'll be giving you a detailed walkthrough of the site, its features, and how it works for managing passwords within teams. TeamPassword is specifically designed to help teams securely share and manage passwords. First, let's take a look at the website's clean and simple interface. You'll notice right away that it's easy to navigate, even for users with minimal technical expertise. The dashboard is straightforward, with clear options for adding passwords and organizing them into categories. When it comes to security, TeamPassword doesn't disappoint. It uses encryption to keep your data safe, and the multi-factor authentication ensures that only authorized users can access the password vault. You can also set permission levels for team members, ensuring that only specific individuals can view or edit sensitive passwords. This makes TeamPassword a solid choice for businesses that need to keep their credentials secure, while still providing easy access to the right people. Did you know people waste so much time just resetting passwords? I used to be one of them, until I found Locker.io, and now I don't even think about it. This and many other useful links you can find in the description. Returning to TeamPassword, one thing that sets it apart from other password managers is its focus on team collaboration. You can create different groups within your organization and assign passwords to those groups, making it easy to control who has access to specific information. There's also an option for securely sharing login details with other team members, which is super helpful when you need to hand off a password without exposing it in an insecure way. However, while TeamPassword offers great features, it's not perfect. The pricing may be a little higher compared to other options in the market, especially for smaller teams or startups. Additionally, while the mobile app works well, I noticed that the website can be a bit slow at times, particularly when loading large amounts of data. Overall, TeamPassword is a reliable password manager for teams. It's secure, user-friendly, and focused on collaboration, making it a great choice for businesses looking to protect their digital assets. If you're looking for a solid password manager that helps you manage your team's credentials, TeamPassword might be the right fit. Thanks for watching this review. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel for more honest reviews like this one.